ಜೈ ವಾಸವಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ದಿನದ ನಿತ್ಯ ವಿನೂತನ ಚೇತನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಾಸ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆನ್ 25 September 2014 to encourage companies to manufacture their products in India and incentivize with dedicated investments into manufacturing. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ಭಾಷಣ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ಕೆಲವು ತುಣುಕುಗಳು.
Hi everyone, myself Likita. I'm studying Electronics and Communication Engineering, second year at Sri Adi Chanchandgiri Institute of Technology. Here I'm going to share a small topic about the Make in India. Make in India is the major national program of our country, right? Make in India deals with the major causes like as it attract the investors across the globe to invest in our country and to increase the manufacturing sectors of our country. Has Make in India concentrate on 25 sectors of our country. For example, biotechnology, automobiles, industries, roads, communications, tourism, and many more, etc. on 25 sectors of our country. As these are led by the Department of DPIIT, Department of Production of Internal Trade and Industries, and Ministry of Commerce, and Government of India. Has economical growth of India of our country is mainly basic on the talents of our youths or talents of our country, and also increase in the employment opportunity of our country, and increasing the tertiary and secondary sectors. Then then I ask all peoples to manufacture goods in our country and sell them to anywhere at any part of the country across the world, so that we can bring a product of Swadeshi and make a brand of Swadeshi products of our India and represent our country at all over the world. Nowadays, Make in India and Made in India has become a huge debate competition. As we all know that people get confused of Make in India and Made in India. And even there is a bit of difference in between them. From that, now we can find, as we know that 6 years are been ahead of making this program of Make in India. Make in India program. Now I'll tell you about a few topics about the recent 2020 year, as we are all suffering from a deadly virus called COVID-19, coronavirus. And even we are finding vaccines for all those things, and our Modi ji has also tell that we are not finding one or two, around 3 vaccines. Hope soon we get all that very soon as possible. And we are also increasing our defense ministry, increasing our defense, where we have around 36 Rafales in our country by signing the inter-agreement trade with the France, and we have also begun Swadeshians, right? So by around 59 Chinese apps were banned by our country, and instead of that we have also find a new apps for that. So now I can tell that we have Swadeshians, right? We are Swadeshians, and we have any rights to upgrade of our country. So I kindly ask you to contribute to our country, as it's a very important time to maintain our health, physical balance or health issues, and to maintain the financial balance also. So by telling this, I conclude my speech. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಹತ್ವಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಎಂಥದ್ದು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ವಿರೋಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷದವರಿಗೆ ಕಪಾಳ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ಸಾಧಕಗಳು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಮೂಲಕ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೇನೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ಉಪಕರಣಗಳು, ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳನ್ನು, ಸಾಧನಗಳನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ, ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಡಾಲರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಮೂಲಕ ಐಫೋನ್ನ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಘಟಕ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸಾಂಗ್, ಲಾವಾ, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ವಿದೇಶಿ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಘಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಹಲವಾರು ಸಾಧಕಗಳು ಈ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಬಾಧಕಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿದೇಶಿ ಹೂಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು 1991ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೂಡಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದುಷ್ಪರಿಣಾಮವನ್ನು ಬೀರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ನ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಲೋನನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಮೂಲಕ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ದುಬಾರಿ ವಸ್ತು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ತಕ್ಷಣವಾಗಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಬಾಧಕಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Respected sir, ma'am, my name is Harshita Jiyam, studying in 8th standard in Sandipani English School, Shimoga. I am proud to be Indian. Indian life is mythologically rich and powerful. Narendra Modi, our greatest Prime Minister since 2014. He had made so many declarations. In that, he also announced the Make in India concept in 25th September 2014. This is a national manufacturing policy. This is a lion step of our PM. Now, I will explain about Make in India merits and demerits. The major merits of Make in India are: it aims at utilizing the existing Indian talent base, creating the additional employment opportunities. It aims at come and manufacture in India, go and sell in any country of the world. From this, we get the self-dependency, more employment, more jobs, more export, reduction in imports, reduction in cost, ease of business, skills development possible by using the Indian laborers for the work, upgradation of the technology, increasing the brand value, 45 the rupees. Automatically, it leads to the economic growth of India. Now, I will explain about the main targets of Make in India: to attract the foreign investment, cut down the imports, encourage the domestic production. It also the main aim to manufacture the GDP 16% to the 25% in the year 2022. To create 100 million of jobs in the year 2022. Concentration on 11 areas, example automobile, defense, medical sector, etc. Now I will explain about demerits of Make in India. Demerits of Make in India: too much reliance on the foreign capital, low productivity, no skill, lack of implementation, no skills, lack of implementation, dealing with too many sectors, depletion of the natural resources, disruption of the land pollution occurs. This is dangerous for the survival of the population in India. Totally, the Indian government should be initiative to be care this in industries and the manufacturing sector. This Narendra Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has taken a good initiative in this concept. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸಾಧಕಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಧಕಗಳು ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಕುರಿತಂತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ವಾಸವಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಂಘವು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಪೇಜನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.